Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change OmeTV country in Android. So here, if you don't have a OmeTV or if you don't know what OmeTV is, you can try to search on the Play Store. And this is the OmeTV video chat alternative. So you can use this video chat OmeTV to chat and open the world of unlimited fun with one swipe. For example, you can start meeting new people and making friends in this app. You can connect with over 1 million mobile users and over 100,000 website visitors, chatting online day and night. So there are some features, you can read it for the details. And of course, it's ad free. So here, this is free, so let's open. Don't forget to sign in with your Facebook, PK or Google. And here we go. In order to change the country, you can tap this country button. And here we go, you can find the country that you want to explore. And this is where you're from, your origins. United States and Indonesia. I choose it. For now I use United States as my origin, so you can change it for free. Also you can use a VPN or like a disguise, for example, so you can download for free any VPN out there, for example this Turbo VPN. So this is why I use United States. You can change the country right now. Let's randomly change into a Korea, maybe South Korea. So you need to join Pro if you want to use this Korea. So let's try to find the free one. If you cannot find the free one, you can use just use the default location, for example this United States. So here you can go back to a OmeTV. So here you can change your country. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.